Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into tradelle.io, a brand new all-in-one dropshipping tool that promises to make product research, sourcing, and fulfillment easier than ever. If you're serious about scaling your dropshipping store, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is Tradelle or Tradelle? Tradelle or tradelle.io is your one-stop shop for dropshipping. It helps you find winning products, import them into your store with one click, and even automate your order fulfillment. No more chasing unreliable suppliers. Everything is handled by Tradelle's sourcing team with fast shipping times and quality checks. First up, product research tools. You can discover profitable product ideas, analyze sales figures, seasonality trends, and more. The best part, their database is updated daily, so you always get the freshest and most relevant products. Trudeau's team of analysts also validates products based on social media engagement and market demand, meaning you get a curated list of truly winning products. One of my favorite features is their marketing saturation index. This tool shows you the sweet spot between a trending product and market competition, helping you spot profitable opportunities before they get too crowded. Need help picking your ad targeting? The Global Market Finder always shows you which countries have the highest demand for your product, helping you target the highest or the right markets fast. Tradell also tracks seasonal trends so you know when to push seasonal products like summer essentials or winter gears right when demand peaks. The profit tool is another game changer. It lets you instantly calculate potential profits by testing different prices, costs, and margins. And if you need marketing inspirations, the Ad Spy tool lets you see real Facebook ads for winning products. You can study what's working and model your own campaigns without guessing. Best of all, Tradell offers a free 7-day trial so you can test everything yourself before committing. So if you're looking for a reliable all-in-one dropshipping solution, Tradell or Tradell.io could definitely be worth checking out. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more dropshipping tips and tool reviews, and comment below if you have any questions about Tradell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.